Hey you out there. How you doing, family? I'm Emily Branden, and this is your EB soundbite for the week. I just got done doing laundry. It's like, man, sometimes the little things will break you, and you can handle the big stress, and you can handle all the metamorphosis that we're going through on a daily basis, but like the day to day routines can get sticky. So I'm about to go teach at Santa Fe Rail Yard. Shout out. And I don't want to show up crabby. And I need to alchemize the energy of my space. So to do that, I play like ambient music or kirtan mantra. Or in this case, we're going to do rock mantra today. We're going to do Bob Marley because I feel like his words just do it for us all. And it's just about one love. So we're gonna shake our ass. You're gonna shake it with me. That's the deal with these bites, is you practice with me, and they're short and sweet. But swallow your medicine, okay? EmilyBranden.com. For those of you who are not in Santa Fe, New Mexico, you can totally practice with me online. I have audio classes that are studio recorded, and you'll really dig. So here we go. It's nothing you don't know. About a thing. And I know you know how to dance. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, you gotta say those. Don't worry, full volume, about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, keep it shaking. Rise up this morning.